Right, there's my hard-boiled egg. Just as a matter of interest, you know how to tell the difference between a hard-boiled egg and a raw egg. A hard-boiled egg will spin, where a raw egg won't. So, there's our hard-boiled egg. Let's have a look how much it weighs. We zero the scale again, put the egg on, 58 grams. So it hasn't changed its weight since we boiled it. But we knew that, didn't we? Okay, so let's peel the egg now. Now there's an interesting fact. When I peel the egg, we're now weighing 52 grams. That's what you're going to eat when you're eating your boiled egg. 52 grams. How many calories? Okay, so we can't just say it's an extra large egg. We need to know what the egg weighs, because an extra large egg in South Africa weighs up to 59 grams. In Europe, it weighs up to 73 grams. That's nearly 24% bigger. So we need to know the weight of the egg. Once we know that, we need to know then how many calories there are per 100 grams of egg. Now, I've looked at 10 different websites. They give me 10 different answers. Again, it varies on the type of egg, what type of hen laid the egg, what part of the world it's from, because the size of the yolk changes, and the yolk is where all the calories are. So if the yolk is bigger, the egg would have more calories than others. So anyway, taking an average, it goes between 143 and 155 calories in 100 grams of egg. So we know our egg weighs 52 grams. If we take an average of the number of calories per 100 grams in an egg, it works out at 148 calories per 100 grams. Our egg weighs 52 grams, so therefore it contains 77 calories. If it was the European egg from Europe, extra large, and you didn't weigh it, it would have 108 calories. So you can see the difference if you don't know what the weight of the actual thing is. So how close was your answer? 77 calories? Right, let's move on to the next week's one. Here's your test. There's a banana. How many calories? Compared to my hand. So tell me how many calories there are in this banana. I'm not going to measure it or anything. I bought a banana. I want to know how many calories. Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll see you next week. Thank you.